You boys gonna go potty? Vinny? Vinny Bear? Here's Pilo. You ready? You ready to go? Rusty's ready to go. Just a minute. Okay, everybody's ready. Vinny, you ready to go? Let's go.
And this is what it's like to walk 3 dogs at the same time. Where you going, bub? Rusty, calm down, buddy. Let's go. There's Pilo. Rusty Bear. And there's Vinny. Rusty sees something that he wants over there, probably a squirrel. What you see, dude? You gonna get him? You gonna get him? What is it? What is it? Come on. Pilo. Pilo. Hey, what you doing, dude? What you doing, pretty boy? What are you doing? Vinny. And then we go to the mailbox. Oh my goodness. Oh, I gotta pee on it. What you doing, Russ? Alright guys, let's go back in the house. Let's go. Come on. Come on, let's go. Get in here. Vinny, come on. And that was our adventure. So I have to get something out of the car, and they're nosy, wanting to get in here with me. Look at Rusty. Get in here, Mama. I'll go get in the car with you. Hey, dude. Hey, dude. Well, looks like Rusty was successful. Where are we going? Nowhere. Hey, Vinny. What? What is it? You can't get in here, too. No. Oh, yes, I can. Where's Pilo? Pilo. Come here, Bubba. Pilo. There he is. Alright, let's go. Boys, come on, let's go. Let's go. Get out of that car. Good boy. Come on, Vinny. Vinny. Oh, Rusty's back in. Come on, boys. Come on, let's go. Let's go in the house. I'm just going to have to go in and hope they follow me.